Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to easily view your YouTube TV bill. It's super simple, and we're going to break it down step by step. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. We're going to cover two main methods, viewing your bill on a computer and viewing it on your mobile device. First, let's check it out on a computer. 1. Open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. 2. Make sure you're logged in with a Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. 3. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. 4. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. 5. On the Settings page, click on Billing. 6. Here you'll see a summary of your current plan, your next billing date, and your payment method. 7. To view your past bills, simply click on Manage next to your membership details. 8. This will take you to your Google Payments account where you can see a history of all your YouTube TV bills. You can click on each transaction to view the detailed breakdown of that bill. Okay, now let's see how to view your bill on a mobile device, like your phone or tablet. 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. 3. Then tap on Settings. 4. Next, select Billing. Just like on the computer, you'll see a summary of your current plan, next billing date, and payment method. 5. To view past bills, tap Manage. This will typically open your Google Payments account in your device's browser. 6. From there, you can view your transaction history and select individual bills for a detailed breakdown. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your YouTube TV bill on both your computer and mobile device. Pretty easy, right? If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.